Now on Hour 18, the call for police reform and removing problem police officers from the ranks is more urgent than ever for many activists.
In just 24 hours, the Illinois Supreme Court will hand down a ruling that could either help push reform or put it in reverse. CBS 2 political investigator Dana Kozlov live outside Chicago City Hall. Dana, it has to do with the destruction of police misconduct records.
Right, exactly, Brad and Erica. The union representing Chicago's police officers is fighting to be able to destroy those police misconduct records, personnel records that are older than 5 years. But critics of that effort say that would only protect officers with troubling backgrounds.
It's over!
They're out there and continue to grieve. Families of people killed by Chicago police officers, in many cases wrongfully.
We need to stop this.
People fighting for police reform, like the University of Chicago's Craig Futterman, say officer backgrounds and misconduct records are key to tracking and firing problem cops, especially in the wake of George Floyd's death and subsequent protests. But as we first told you in January, the Fraternal Order of Police, the union representing Chicago's officers, wants all misconduct records destroyed after 5 years. They pushed the case all the way to the Illinois Supreme Court, which will hand down its ruling tomorrow.
Tomorrow, if there's an order that says, bring on the great bonfire of records, all that evidence, all that ability to actually address ongoing patterns and practices of abuse, go up in smoke.
Futterman, along with the Invisible Institute's Jamie Calvin, fought to have police misconduct records made public and won. I mean, it was a battle, wasn't it?
It was a battle. It was close to 10 years of litigation.
Since Illinois Supreme Court agreed to hear the case, the FOP's leadership has changed.
What I've seen is a double down on resistance, denial.
Futterman says of the FOP now, he argues officers' misconduct records will also help the police department comply with the federal consent decree. Losing them, he says, would be a blow to the community, the department, and the city.
These records belong to all the people.
To the FOP's attorney this afternoon, who says, the FOP's attorney says that this is really about honoring the terms of the collective bargaining agreement between the Chicago Police Department and the city. He says that that contract allows for these records to be destroyed after 5 years and has allowed it for the last 3 or 4 decades. So he says this really is about honoring the terms of that contract. Erica?
Dana, where do Police Superintendent Brown and Mayor Lightfoot stand on this matter?
I had a chance, Erica, to ask the mayor about that in a press call this afternoon, and she has said all along she believes that those police records need to remain public because they are public records. I also reached out to a spokesperson for Superintendent Brown who got back to me this afternoon saying that the department and the superintendent also agree that those records need to remain intact, that they should not be destroyed. But we'll see what the Supreme Court rules tomorrow. Erica?
Yes, we will see. Thank you, Dana.